Good morning students. In previous video of chapter 2 that was fraction, I have told you about the addition, subtraction and multiplication of the fraction. Today we will continue. So I will tell you reciprocal of the fraction and division of fraction. So what is reciprocal of fraction? When we interchange the value of numerator and denominator, then the new fraction is called reciprocal. For example, a upon b is a fraction. Then the reciprocal of a upon b will be b upon a. इधर a न्यूमरेटर था और b डिनोमिनेटर था. इन द न्यू रेसिप्रोकल a will be denominator and b will be numerator. Another example, 37 upon 83. This is the fraction, and what will be the reciprocal of this? This will be 83 upon 37. 1 whole 2 upon 7. This is a mixed fraction. So what will be the reciprocal of this fraction? I will convert this into improper fraction. 7 ones are 7, 7 plus 2, 9. 9 upon 7. So reciprocal of 9 upon 7 will be 7 upon 9. Clear? So now division of fraction. I have told you about reciprocal because in division it will be used. So division of fraction. Suppose a upon b is a fraction and we have to divide it by c upon d, another fraction. Then we will divide it by this way, a upon b as it is. We will change this divide sign into multiplication. This. जब हम इस डिवाइड को मल्टीप्लिकेशन में चेंज करेंगे देन जो ये वाला फ्रैक्शन है इसका हमें रेसिप्रोकल करना है. दैट मीन्स सी अपॉन डी का रेसिप्रोकल क्या होगा? डी अपॉन सी. क्लियर? नाउ वी कैन राइट दिस एज ए इंटू डी अपॉन बी इंटू सी. दिस विल बी अवर न्यू फ्रैक्शन. क्लियर? सो आई एम टेकिंग एन एग्जाम्पल हेयर फॉर मोर क्लैरिफाई टू यू. So I have taken two example of division of fraction. 4 upon 7 divided by 9 upon 14. So 4 upon 7 we will write as it is. Divide sign will be changed into multiplication. And we can write 9 what will be the reciprocal of 9 upon 14? That will be 14 upon 9. So this will be 4 into 14 upon 7 into 9. इधर कुछ लोवेस्ट टर्म में जा रहा है. यस, 7 to the 14. So this is 4 into 2 upon 9. So our answer will be 8 upon 9. Clear? Next example is 3 whole 3 upon 7 divided by 8 upon 21. We will convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 3, 24 upon 7 divided by 8 upon 21. Same process, divide sign will be changed into multiply and this will be reciprocal. 24 upon 7 into 21 upon 8. So product of numerator 24 into 21 upon product of denominator 7 into 8. कुछ लोवेस्ट टर्म में जा रहा है. यस, 7 3s are 21, 1 8 3s are 24. So this will be 3 into 3 upon 1 into 1. So your answer is 9. I hope now you all have understand. Next, when you will solve questions in exercise, then you will see questions this type. Find the value or solve (18 upon 15 by 9). So what is the meaning of by? By means divide. जैसे हमने प्रीवियस वीडियो में देखा था ऑफ का मीनिंग क्या था? मल्टीप्लीकेशन. सेम बाय मीन्स डिवाइड. सो हियर वी विल राइट पुट द मार्क ऑफ डिवीजन एट द प्लेस ऑफ बाई एंड देन 9. अब सेम प्रोसेस वही. डिवाइड को हम किस में चेंज करेंगे? मल्टीप्लाई में. 18 upon 15, then this will be reciprocal 1 upon 9. This is 18 into 1 अपॉन 15 इंटू 9. कुछ लोवेस्ट टर्म में जा रहा है. यस, 9 2 ज़ा 18. दिस विल बी 2 इंटू 1 अपॉन 15. आंसर इज 2 upon 15. Clear everyone? So next example is divide 45 by 1 whole 4 upon 5. So by means divide. This is mixed fraction. We will convert this into improper fraction. 5 1 5, 5 or 4, 9. 9 upon 5. So this will be reciprocal. Then divide sign will be changed into multiplication. 45 multiply 5 upon 9. We can write 45 as 45 upon 1. So 45 into 5 upon 1 into 9. कुछ short term में जा रहा है. This 9 5 ज़ा 45. So your answer is 5 into 5 upon 1. So answer is 25. Another example, divide 1000 by 1 whole 1 upon 4. Same process. 1000 by will be changed into by means divide. So mixed fraction, we will convert this into improper fraction. 4 1 4, 4 or 1 5, 4 plus 1 5 upon 4. Reciprocal, then this will change into multiplication. 1000 into 4 upon 5. 1000 into 4 upon 1 into 5. 5 से 1000 हमारा कितना टाइम्स जाएगा? 200 times. So answer is 200 into 4. That means 800. I hope you have understand, students. Now in last I will take a word problem. Then I will send you assignment related to this exercise. If you have any query, then you can send me message on group and you can ask me. Okay. This is the word problem of this exercise. That is 18 boxes weigh equally and their total weight is 49 whole 1 upon 2 kg. How much does each box weigh? क्वेश्चन है हमारा 18 बॉक्सेस हैं जिसमें इक्वली वेट है और टोटल वेट जो है वो हमारा 49 होल 1 अपॉन 2 kg है. देन वी हैव टू फाइंड वेट ऑफ ईच बॉक्स. ईच बॉक्स का वेट कितना होगा? फर्स्ट, वेट ऑफ 18 boxes equals to 49 whole 1 upon 2 kg. We will convert this into improper fraction. 49 to the 98 plus 1 99 upon 2 kg. Number of boxes equals to 18. Then the weight of each box or one box. अच्छा, मुझे ये बताओ आप लोग कि इसमें आपको यू हैव टू गिवन वेट ऑफ 18 बॉक्सेस एंड यू हैव टू फाइंड द वेट ऑफ वन बॉक्स और ईच बॉक्स. देन वी विल डिवाइड. क्योंकि ज़्यादा का दिया हुआ है और हमसे कम का पूछा है तो हम डिवाइड करेंगे. तो टोटल वेट ऑफ 18 boxes divide by number of boxes, that is 18. So 99 upon 2 divide by 18. Same process, reciprocal of 18 and this divide sign will be changed into multiplication. 99 upon 2 into 1 upon 18. I am doing it here. 99 into 1 upon 2 into 18. 99 and 18 को हम 9 से कट कर सकते हैं. 9 से 99 11 times and this is 9 2 जा 18. So answer is 11 upon 4. We can convert this into improper fraction. How? 4 2 जा 8 and 3 remainder. So 2 whole 3 upon 4 kg is the weight of each boxes. Students, now this chapter video is completed. I will send you the remaining assignment of this chapter. If you have any query in this chapter or previous chapter, you can ask me on WhatsApp group. So thank you, students.